Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Nordvpn with Draftkings. First, make sure you have an active Nordvpn subscription. Go to the Nordvpn website, create an account, and download the app for your device. You can install it on Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your account details. You will see a map and a list of countries you can connect to. Draftkings is only available in certain states, so you need to connect to a server in one of those states. For example, New Jersey or Pennsylvania. This means all your internet traffic is now routed through that location. Next, open your Draftkings app or website. Log into your Draftkings account as usual. If the location check passes, you can place bets or join fantasy contests. If you get an error, disconnect from Nordvpn and try a different server in the same state. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.